Hi, I'm Kathy Elliott. I'm an independent Norwex sales consultant, or you might think of me as an Norwex educator. Hey, I am in the middle of something that really brought up a lot of emotions for me, and it is about cleaning my bay window. And I'm not sure in this format if I'm going to be able to turn my camera around. No, it does not look like it. So I'm going to do my best to do it this way. I love my bay window. I had wanted this for a long time before we got it, and I just cherish it. The thing is that this is a complicated space for me, and I'm going to share that with you through something that has happened on this day in August of 2025. I've realized that not only is my why about the purpose of cleaning safer, healthier, better, giving opportunity to others who would like to become a Norwex educator, a way to make a side gig income or your full-time income, just sharing with people and helping them get Norwex for free through hosting and sharing with their friends and all of that. Doing those things can bring up a lot of anxiety towards, my house is not clean enough. It's not organized enough. And I was sharing in my VIP group that that's okay, that even I still struggle with that. And so I am starting something new right now, that my why is going to be more about releasing and undoing the anxiety baggage around, is my house clean enough for people to come over? We're going to get rid of that, okay? So here it goes. I'm going to share, like I said, the way I'm doing this video, I cannot turn my camera around. So I'm just going to do it like this. This is a lot of things. This is a representation of me as a mom. This is a representation of me as a grandma. This is a representation of me as a faith person. This is a representation of me as a family, of a lot of things that went on, that of my husband and I just having life together. So here's the thing. This one little area is as far as I got before my anxiety kicked in, because there's just so much. So many little knickknacks. I cherish my knickknacks. I have a collection of bells that are tucked away in another room because I don't have the space to display those. But I noticed my screen, which I'm going to turn my phone around. Ooh, I fell forward a little bit. Yeah, it was very dusty. And I thought, I'll go get my Enviro wand. And I have called this my magic wand from day one of owning this practically. And the reason is because of how awesome it is to just be able to take it to a window and swipe it across and clean a screen, right? To just clean this area. Or go up to the ceiling and get dust bunnies. I don't even know, because I can't see. I'm just showing you my ceiling because like I said, I can't. We'll do it this way. There we go. Just go up here and clean dust. And I can get up here. This is the ledge. This is the top of my trim. I can just go up here and I can get that, and I can go under here and I can just get that dust, and it's gone. And that's why I call this my magic wand. Look, I got my Enviro wand back in, I don't know when they were new. I started being an educator in 2011, and it was introduced in 2010. They didn't have it then. It came along sometime maybe around 2012. I don't know, but I've had this since then. It even has the old handle on it that doesn't have the end piece that comes off, that has the little magic brush hidden in it, which I love. And could you be using, because I could get down in there and get the dirt that's stuck down inside the edge of the screen with its framing. So anyway, I am making this video, one, to remind myself of my new why, and to share my new why with you. It's about releasing the anxiety of, is my house clean enough for somebody to come over? Because no, In our heads, a lot of the times the answer is no. I haven't vacuumed, I haven't cleaned the refrigerator, I haven't washed a window, I haven't done this, I haven't done that. And guess what? Neither has the rest of us. We are busy living life, getting out there with our family and friends, going places. You can also bring them into your home, bring them into your space, and share this gift of magic, I promise you, I will walk alongside of you in that share, however you want to do it. You want to just be a customer? Great, I got your back. I can work with that. You want to think, maybe I've got a few friends that might like to hear about this. Do I know anybody using Norwex? Well, we should find out. Let's find out together. Let's have a little party. Let's have a workshop, whatever you want to call it, a gathering, just a tea, coffee, milkshakes, whatever you're into. Maybe a little, margarita or something. And we can just talk about the things you want to talk about. The magic wand, the mop system, how easy it is to use the EnviroCloth, the basic package, the whole Safe Haven 5, whatever it could be. And you might be saying, I don't know any of these things. What are you talking about? Well, then let's get together. You can message me through 515-717-3284. You can text special to that number. You can text YouTube to that number. You can text host to that number. And an automatic message will come to you with information. You want to know where I'm at in the world, when I'm going to be out and around? You can text event to that number. I am in the Des Moines area, but I do things across state lines because we have social media. We have Messenger and Facebook, and we have Zoom. I actually prefer Zoom. I don't like Messenger parties where you get all that information together. I do get invited to a few, and I try to politely participate, and maybe it's something I'm interested in. I place an order for my friend's party. But I just feel like it's too much, right? You're in my phone, and I didn't. So anyway, Zoom or on live together in your home, or maybe you feel like your space is too small and we go to like a park or meet in a conference room of a restaurant or something, a little back room or something. Whatever. I'm flexible. I have had to be flexible for so many reasons in my life, and it really helps me in this life of Norwexing and doing and helping others. So join me, won't you, in releasing that anxiety of, is my house clean enough for other people to come over? Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of it together, and let's not care if my house is clean enough for you to come over. Okay? I would love to be invited over and help you save time, money, and experience the true clean, the true safe clean, and ditch that anxiety, because none of us need that pressure. Have a blessed day, and thank you for being here with me.